12-inch charcuterie board is a work of art and almost too pretty to graze on. Almost. Creating an elevated board allows for easy pickup and placing, so there's no angling, which can make the food roll out of place. Plus, it looks extra fancy up on little legs. You'll need a wood board. I'm using a pine board, 36 inches long by almost 12 inches wide and 5/8 of an inch thick. If you use a softer wood like this pine, don't use it as a cutting board. Do any chopping elsewhere and transfer your ready-to-eat morsels onto the board when you're ready to serve. 4 small bun feet, a sanding block or sandpaper, super glue, pliers, a drop cloth, butcher block finish, and a brush. Butcher Block's dried finish is non-toxic and food safe. First, sand the entire board. Using the pliers, unscrew and remove the bolt in the middle of each bun foot. Apply the glue to the top of each bun foot and adhere to the bottom of the board in all 4 corners. Once the glue is dried, coat the board with butcher block over a drop cloth. After the finish has fully dried, wash the board lightly with soap and water, and it's ready to use. On the fly, DIY.